that person was like, what the fuck?
So today I'm gonna talk about how to say you're cute in Korean. Not you.
Oh shit. Always a bridesmaid.
In the Western culture, when somebody says you're cute, what comes in your mind?
Sex.
Oh. Really?
Well, we're a hypersexualized society here. So, yeah, pretty much anything is an entry point to sex.
No way.
Yeah, cute is, something that's attractive, young, and symmetrical.
Okay.
But in a general context, yeah, it's a compliment.
When you see a baby who's cute.
Okay, well, that's a bit different.
So why do you say you're cute?
Because they don't repulse you. Except for the ugly babies.
So
but ugly babies are supposed to be cute too.
So what's the fine line? So you have to determine based on their age.
To draw the line and have a distinction between like
baby
cute versus a sexy cute.
Yeah.
I guess it depends on the legal requirements of the political locality you happen to be in. But no, seriously, I mean, these things are negotiated just as a cultural norm. So
yeah, based on the culture, right?
Yeah.
Because when I used to watch Sex and the City back in South Korea, people would say often, "You're cute," and then they have sex that night.
On the show, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It all goes back to Sex and the City.
In today's video, we're talking about how to say you're cute in Korean. When you say, okay, let's talk about the word cute. I don't think so.
That's alright. I was looking at that dude behind me.
You have to look forward when you try.
Yeah.
So let's talk about cute in Korean. So to be cute, do you know the word?
To be cute, 귀여워.
Okay, 귀여워.
귀여워.
So what's the dictionary form for that?
귀하다, 귀여하다.
Okay.
기원하다. Oh, shit.
귀엽다.
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 It's actually 귀.
yeah. 귀엽다.
귀엽다. So be irregular conjugation. So that's why you drop be and add u and add the conjugation 어. So 귀여워. Anyway, that's too complicated for you right now while driving.
It's not cute just having blood on your face. Cause she cut her hair, and I wanted to be approachable, so I shaved quite brutishly, and this is the consequence.
귀여워.
귀여워.
So if you want to say that in polite, 귀여워요. 귀여워요.
귀여워요.
It's cute.
귀여워요.
But this word 귀엽다 in Korean only means like a baby cute.
Oh wait, sorry, which is the different form?
So 귀엽다.
귀엽다.
This verb.
Oh.
When you say that to anyone in South Korea, it doesn't deliver the meaning of sex.
So when a woman says you're cute, she's actually friend zoning you.
Yeah, exactly. It's the opposite.
Or so they would say.
Yeah. Or it's like a teddy bear cute. Oh, 귀여워. Teddy bear cute.
Yeah, we'll see about that.
Teddy bear turns into demon. If you wanna approach men and women and letting them know that you're interested in it, then you wanna avoid the word 귀여워.
Oh, 시원하다.
It's so bad.
Is it really?
I don't know.
Tell me. You're the teacher.
Korean jokes never about those things. Like we don't talk about sex while we're making jokes. If you wanna tell somebody that you're interested in it, we tend to go by their look, as in you're handsome, you're pretty, and you can even say you're sexy.
Whoa, sexy.
섹시하다. You just add 하다 verb. 너 섹시해. You're sexy. So handsome is 잘생겼다.
잘생겼다.
So 너 잘생겼어.
잘생겼어. 잘생겼어. So good, 잘.
잘 is well. 생기다 verb verb is appear, well appear. That is interpreted as to be handsome.
Damn, you clean up good.
But you almost conjugate it into the past tense 잘생겼어, right? But it doesn't mean you were handsome and not anymore. It means you have been handsome. 잘생겼어.
Good Lord have mercy.
So 너 잘생겼어. You're handsome. Or you're pretty. Do you know how to say?
이뻐.
Yeah, 이뻐.
이쁘다. 이쁜.
너 예뻐.
여자 정말 이뻐요. 여자 정말 이쁜 있어요. 이뻤어요?
이쁜 여자 있어요?
이쁜 여자 있어요.
There is a pretty girl, right?
Hell yeah.
In your culture, what are the phrases that you tell somebody you're interested in? You're attractive to their figure. Do you also say you're cute just like Western culture?
You just say, damn.
그럼 안녕?
What was it? What 안녕?
그럼.
그럼 안녕?
I just wasted